Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Siri using your earbuds BELKIN SoundForm ClearFit. So, to call Siri, you need to press and hold at the touch areas on your left or right earbud. Touch areas located at the back side. Right here we have BELKIN, and here this one is touch areas, so let's check the right one. Press and hold. And as you can see, I just awake Siri. Now let's check the left one. And it also worked. Now, these earbuds have an application, so we cannot customize it, and by press and hold, this is the only one option how to call a Siri. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!